My presentation today is about computers. With computers and desktop computers, you can start anywhere you want. Generally, a good gaming computer is about the best way to go if you want graphics control and overall software upgrades and stuff like that. Way for you to more upgrades and multitasking and stuff. There's other computers too that do about the same, and those are the all-in-wonder computers. Even though these you can't upgrade when they get older, you can't upgrade the parts so easily as you can with the desktop. But these are a couple examples. You got your Apple and you have your Toshiba. Then there's the intermediate computers that we all use at college and libraries and stuff like that. These are just for your use to do little tasks, little things. And then last we got here is the multitask computer, which these ones usually run a Intel processor and high graphics video card and RAM and stuff, and they're lightning fast, and they're usually something more or less that the government will use. But overall, they're real good computers. So my suggestion would be is to look over your options for a computer and go from there. My personal computer choice is gaming computer, and that does it for this introduction or presentation.